Good afternoon everyone. Today we'll be studying about plus 1 class NCERT Commerce, and the first topic will be business, trade and commerce. So let's start. We are human, right? So being human, we are supposed to do some activities, and those activities are known as human activities. And those human activities are divided into two parts. First one is economic activity and the second one is non-economic activity. So talking about economic activities are those activities like our father is doing job or our mother is doing job to earn some money, to earn our livelihood, to bear all the household expenses, to provide your fees, to provide all the extra expenses. So those activities which are performed to earn money, to earn livelihood, are known as economic activity. So those activities are performed to earn money are known as economic activity. On the other hand, if your father is doing job or your mother is staying at home, if she is a housemaker, then she is doing some work for you, like she is preparing food for you, she is washing your clothes, she is cleaning your home. So those activities, is she being paid for that? No, na. So those activities which are performed out of love, out of care, affection, emotions, sentiments, sympathy, etc., those activities are known as non-economic activities. So economic activity and non-economic activities are differentiated only on the basis of money. In economic activity, money is involved, and in non-economic activity, money is not involved. Now, we have studied that economic activities are performed to earn money. So this money can be earned in three ways. Mainly all the sources are divided into three types. First one is business, second one is profession, and the third one is employment. All the three activities are performed to earn money, and that money is termed differently in all those terms. In business, we term that money as profit. In profession, we term that money as fees. And in employment, we termed as salary. Like if we are doing any business, we are earning profit, and if we are engaged in any profession, then we are charging any fees, and if we are employed somewhere, then we are getting salary. So the methods of earning this money can be business, profession and employment. We will be continuing in next video. Till then, bye bye.